How are you feeling? Good. You dozed off for a little bit there. Scared me half to death when I realized you weren't awake anymore. I had to check your breathing and feel your pulse just to reassure myself that you were okay. And what you're going through, I can only imagine how much of a toll it's taking on you. You must be exhausted. No. There's nothing to worry about. It makes sense that you would have dozed off, all things considered. I just got a little bit worried. That's all. The storm seems to have let up while you were asleep. It's still raining, but the thunder and lightning have passed. I lost track of time in my worry, but you weren't asleep for long, just half an hour or so. Maybe an hour, at most. Enough time for me to tidy up the room, put some equipment away. Of course. Like I said, I want you to be as comfortable as possible. I created you. I brought you into this world, beautiful and perfect as you are. You deserve nothing but the best that I can possibly give you. You still must be thirsty. Here, I've poured you a glass of water. Try not to drink it too fast. We don't know how your body will react yet. Take your time. I also thought that I should make you something warm. How about a nice hot cup of tea? That's okay, I can show you. In fact, I think this is a perfect opportunity to conduct a light olfactory test. No, beautiful. I'm not going to put you back on the table. I'm not going to put you back in the restraints. You can stay right here, in front of the fireplace, wrapped up in that nice, soft blanket. You just let me take care of you now. Now, you see this box? I have all sorts of teas and herbal mixtures in here. Now, all proper teas have caffeine, and since we don't know how your body is going to react to caffeine yet, I'm just going to show you the herbal drinks that I can brew for you tonight. They'll help you sleep better. They'll be gentler on your new body. The first one I want to show you is this one. Take a deep breath through your nose and tell me how that one smells. It smells tingly? No, actually, that makes complete sense. This one has peppermint. Can you smell anything else? A little bit sweet? Creamy? Very good. That would be the vanilla. And something floral? You're right, that is the hint of jasmine. Very good. Now, what about this one? You're right, it does have a very unique smell. Very distinctive. That's lavender. Do you smell anything else? It's very subtle. It's okay if you don't get it right away. A little bit like sweet, but not exactly sweet. That's perfect. That's the chamomile. Good job. Now, tell me what you think of this one. Apple. Wow, you knew that one immediately. That's really good. What else? You're right, it's a spice. It's not quite coming to you? That's okay. This one has cinnamon. And if you take one more sniff, you might be able to catch the faintest bit of. You're right, it is something sweet. They're sugar flakes. Tiny little chips of golden caramelized sugar. What's wrong? Of course you can smell it again. What is it? Something familiar? Like a memory that you can't quite grasp? It feels close, but just isn't quite coming? Hey. Shh. It's okay. It's okay. That's normal. It'll come, okay? It'll come in its own time. I know, it's frustrating, but I'm right here. I know you can be patient. And I'm going to be patient right beside you, okay? I have one more. Are you ready? There you go. Good girl. Tell me what you smell. Yes, that's right. It's a little bit different from the rest. That is an interesting way to describe it. This one is lemon and ginger. That's right. You did such a good job. Your sense of smell is working perfectly. Now, which one did you like the best? Which one do you want me to make for you? Yes, you can try all of them eventually. Which one do you want to try tonight? Okay, that sounds perfect. I'll pour us a pot. Be very careful. Don't drink it quite yet. It's still very hot. We'll let it cool down a little bit first. How's your head feeling? It still hurts a little bit. My beautiful girl. Here, let me take a look. Is it okay if I move your head around a little bit? Okay. I'm just going to gently move your hair out of the way while I take a look. Okay. And okay. Good. Good. Now just a quick look over here. Am I hurting you at all? No? Okay, good. Okay. I don't see anything wrong so far. That's good. That means it could be muscular. Some tension somewhere, maybe. How's the pain? Sharp? Dull? Mild? Intense? My poor, beautiful thing. Here, let me give you a scalp massage. See if that helps you feel better. I'm just going to sit right behind you. That's not too close. Okay. And I'm going to start here, behind your ears. And move all the way up to the crown of your head. And all the way back down to the base of your neck. There you go. It's okay. You can lean into me if you want to. There you go. There's my good girl. You just relax for me. You want me to tell you about myself? What do you want to know, beautiful? Well, I come from a decently sized family. I have a few brothers and sisters. I've always been a little bit different from my siblings. A deep thinker, yes, but my interests were different. Some members of polite society might call them morbid. The things that others shied away from, I found fascinating, mysterious. And I had a penchant for thinking about things that it seemed no one else could be bothered to think about. Questions of existence, life and death, our place in the universe. I think I just never understood why no one else seemed to care about these things. And no one seemed to understand why I cared about them. I suppose I was lonely, yes. I studied. I studied every question I ever had. Sometimes I even found an answer. Academics was the only place where people seemed to treat big, complicated questions like they mattered. It was still a little bit lonely, of course, but it was better. My great-uncle? No, I never knew him. Not when he was alive. That was a long time ago. Yes, I suppose I developed a sort of fascination with him, too. I remember finding some notes of his when I was younger. I don't know why we had them to begin with. The family doesn't really talk about him, but they must have found their way into some boxes at some point, mixed up with some banknotes or property deeds, maybe. And I felt the strangest pull to them. I didn't understand any of them at the time, but something about them. It sounds stupid, but it almost felt like they meant to find me. How is your head feeling? Better? Thank goodness. I'm so happy to hear that. I think the tea is cool enough now. Would you like to try it? Here, I don't want you to burn your tongue. Let me blow on it for you first. Here, I'll bring it to your lips. Let me. How is it? Not too hot for you? How does it taste? You like it? Good. Very good. Would you like to take the cup? Here you go. Your fingers. They're still freezing, you poor thing. Your circulation is still a little slow. Here, give me your hand. Let me see if a massage will help your blood flow. That's right. Just relax your hand for me. Good girl. How's that? Not too hard? Good. You have such beautiful hands. They're perfect. You poor thing. You look tired. Do you feel sleepy? A little bit? That's all right. You just drink your tea. Let me take care of you. Of course I want to take good care of you. I brought you into this world. I made you perfect. Exactly as you are. I'm not here to repeat my great-uncle's mistakes. I'm not here to live in fear of the consequences of my own recklessness. That feels a little bit better. Here, give me your other hand. Good. How's the fire? It's not too hot? No? Good. Now that I'm thinking about everything, I'm feeling a little bit silly. Because it feels embarrassing to say it out loud. Because, well, today is your birthday, and I know that probably doesn't mean anything to you right now, or perhaps ever, but I feel silly for mentioning it, but I also feel silly for not thinking of it sooner. I suppose part of me wants to do something nice for you. Celebratory. No, I know it's foolish. Tonight has been an enormous, overwhelming night for you already. You're just getting used to your body and living, but I don't know. I suppose I just feel very attached to you, and I want to give you everything. What is it? Another memory? You can't quite get a hold of it? Hey, hey, shh. It's okay. It's okay. I'm here. I'm right here. It's okay. They'll come when they're ready. Don't try to force it, beautiful. They'll come. Just give them time. Oh dear. Your skin. You're a little warm, but all this time in front of the fire and you're still not quite as warm as I'd like you to be. Here. I'm taking off my jacket. And my shirt. Let me get under this blanket. I'm going to try and warm you up with my body heat. Let me put my arms around you. Here, lean into me. There you go, just like that. That's my beautiful girl. You just get comfortable. You just relax. It's okay if you fall asleep again. I'm right here. I'll protect you. I'll keep you safe. I'm not going